I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem yourself a Google Play gift card. So by redeeming a Google Play gift card, the amount which is on the gift card is going to be transferred to your Google account. Once you do that, you can use that money to buy whichever thing you want using Google. Alright, so it's basically like loading money into your Google account, what Google gift card does. And remember this, some Google Play gift card are not going to be able to be redeemed if it is expired. So you got to check the date of your Google Play gift card. So if it is above the date, so let's say your Google Play gift card was valid up to 2022. If it is 2023 right now, it's not going to be able to be redeemed, alright? So you need to check those dates as well. And remember, if it is already been redeemed by other person, then you cannot redeem the Google Play gift card. One Google Play gift card can only be redeemed once, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can redeem it. Click on your profile picture over here at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you want to go on where it says payments and subscription. Now once you go on payment and subscription, over here where it says redeem gift code, click on it. Once you click on it, a gift card entering page is going to open up like this. Now over here you need to enter the code which is given on your gift card, and you need to enter it in the exact format given to you, alright? After you enter it over here, click on redeem and your Google Play gift card should be redeemed. And if you want to scan your Google gift card, you can click on scan gift card, and basically your phone's camera is going to be used to scan the gift card. Once you scan it, it's going to be redeemed. So whether you want to enter the code or scan it, it's up to you. Just click on redeem at the end in order to redeem it, alright? And whichever Google account you're signed in right now, that's the account in which the gift card's money is going to be transferred to. So that's how you guys can redeem